Manipurdagi Armed Forces Special Power Act lising amaga chamapan yangkhainipan aphaspa laukthoknaba changsinkiba khungjangda masana masabo human torch oiduna miyamgidamak thawaina pontha pikraba athoba pebam chitaranjan mangangi laikhidabagi kunsuba thoram asi Jiribam district asida su Manipuri Student Federation District Committee Jiribam All Jiribam United Club Association All Jiribam Mairapaibi amadi All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Jiribam branch na Sinduna Jiribamgi Babupara leba MSF office da pangthokre thoram aduda mahairoi Mairapaibi Lup Singh amadi miyamna athoba pebam Chitaranjan mangangi photo da leishu katuna ikai khumnaki ngasigi thoram aduga mari lenana Manipuri Student Federation District Committee Jiribamgi President Sinam Iri ngamba singna phongdorakpada ngasi Jiribam da leriba Lup Singh punsilaga athoba pebam Chitaranjan mangangi mafamda ikai khumnaba utpa oina thoram asi pangthokpani haina phongdokhe
I cut like a thumbs up. MSF Jiribam District Committee Jiribamna Laiba Parents Body, Ako Jiribam Parents Body Amadi, Laiminariba, she Mayanga, she so Mayanga Puna, I cut like a she got MSF Key Officer, Kachara Batunga, Foreign Numidangi, Taruk Kaba Matamda, Jiribami, Babu Para, Hana Kangariba, Erapo Statue Asida, Ako Candle Lightning, Punamak Tozagani, Aduga, Atoba, Pibam Chitra and Mangang, I cut like a Tamzabani 16 August Armed Special Force or Act 1958 Amuba Logo Masama Tonta Yaning the Pongo Point Human Torch Oina Manipur Gidamakta Masama Tonta Mai Tazaduna like I Nasibu Yaning the Haina Human Torch Oina Oijakiba Asi Mafamda MSF District Committee Jiribamna Nuaitaba Pongokchari Lokiba Thaudangbu Manipur Miamda Ika MSF na Ikai Punaba Uchavan